Are you ready for it? I have to be stopped. Hello, I'm Samantha Brunson, also known as Bobble Clubhouse. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if this is not your first time here, welcome back. I am so excited to finally let you see this tutorial in full honesty. I have had this video done for 2 years. I'm just now coming back in to do this little intro. But the video was done 2 years ago, and that's because I am a Swiftie and I was convinced that Taylor Swift was going to release Reputation, Taylor's version, a long time ago. I think every couple of months for the last few years, I have at some point woken up and just been like, it's happening today. It's happening today. Reputation is coming today. And here's all of the signs as I like point to my whiteboard with string attached to it. But we recently found out that Taylor Swift has purchased her masters, and in her letter announcing that she did share that Reputation, Taylor's version, may never see the light of day. We might get the vault tracks, but she believes that Reputation is a perfect album as is, and it is. It's a perfect album as is. I have to give it to her. As much as I want to tease her for not releasing this album, it is a perfect album as is. So, you know, that's fair. I do have my fingers crossed for those vault tracks. Please, Taylor, please, Taylor, please, Taylor. But we are going to celebrate because we can officially listen to Reputation guilt-free, and I couldn't be happier about it. For today, we are going to be doing a friendship bracelet tutorial. This is one of my favorite friendship bracelets to make because it looks really complicated and it actually feels pretty complicated when you're first getting started. But if you just stick with it, it becomes the easiest thing ever. Your muscle memory takes over and it's just makes a really fun cord. I also think that this particular friendship bracelet, if you wanted to use this for like a cording, if you're making a hoodie and it calls for like an I-cord, but you don't feel like doing a full I-cord and you want to just do something quick, you could whip this out and use that instead. I think it would make a really great drawstring or, you know, attachment to a bag or a purse or a hair tie. And this is also just a really fun way to celebrate the albums. For this project, I used 2 balls of 24/7 cotton in the colors black, and I think it's like, it's white, it's their white. I can't remember the exact name of it. You'll find it. One friendship bracelet does not take an entire ball of yarn to make, so you can go crazy and make a ton of them. This is a really fun project to do with kids if they need something to do with their hands. Might be a little bit tricky and frustrating for them once they get started, but if they push through, they're gonna have so much fun making these all summer long. And with that, I'm gonna release this video from the vault. Okay, enjoy. was the one I've been waiting for, king of my heart. Side note, I love that Taylor Swift was like, I'm gonna spend $360 million so that I don't have to sing about Joe ever again. So relatable. Probably the most relatable thing she's ever done. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby, baby, ooh. In the middle of the night. Do you think I'm gonna get copywritten because that was so close to Taylor Swift?